Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So the first rule, never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. So open settings, find in the settings general and find iPhone storage. And here you can check your storage capacity right now. So never fill up your storage over the 70% if you have Android device, iOS device, Mac OS, Windows OS. When you're filling up your storage to full, your smartphone is starting to be slow. So iPhone 15 Pro, it's not excluding of this rule. Okay, go back. And open normal settings, and here find battery and open battery and health caring. Find your maximum capacity. So I have 100% because I have a new iPhone. But if you are using your iPhone during years, maybe you have less than 100%, and I know then you have less than 100%. But when you have less than 80%, it means that your device is starting to slowing down because of battery, and it's not because you need to charge your smartphone several times per day. No, it's because battery, when it has normal capacity, it can give to your processor, to your RAM and other components good amount of electricity power, but when it's old, it just can't give the amount of power that processor and RAM needs at this time. Okay, so because of it, sometimes when you have old iPhone and you changing the battery, your iPhone starting to be fast again, even if it's iPhone 8 or iPhone 7. So sometimes you just need to change the battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.